cutting. It looks simple, but it's not simple. Tough. Check the diameter of these trees. It must be reduced to small pieces. This diameter is about perhaps 800 millimeter diameter, and it's a very long, tall tree. But it has been reduced to this so far. But it has to be reduced smaller sizes, perhaps 700 milliliter long. You can see the pieces. It's quite a job. But this machine, it's a Husky machine. The Husky machine is doing the job. There and there you have starting problems, but all in all, the machine is very good. I won't hesitate to buy another one. This is a Husky machine. It can do all you want. All your big trees can be reduced to this. Colors. Yeah, it can be reduced to nothing. Can be reduced to nothing. Check the pieces from the tree, and you can see there are lots of trees here. Depending on the owner, we don't know which one we're gonna cut next, but you can see a big job, big. But the machine can see it looks like cutting a slice of bread. It's just strong. Imagine if you are using an axe, you won't come right. You can only come right with a petrol operated machine or something like that.